Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert picture into Excel data. Sometimes people would like to convert the image data into Excel format. In this situation, you can use the Excel feature to convert the image file into Excel data. By using this, you can capture any paper format data and import image file into convert the Excel data. Let's learn how you can do this. So I have one image file. So this image file I would like to convert the Excel data. So first I have to open the blank Excel file. Then I have to go to data. Under get and transform data, you have to click on the get data. Then you have to go to from other source. Here you have to click on the from picture. Then you have to go to picture from file. It will be open the insert picture window. You have to choose the image file. Now the data insert into your Excel file. So the preview, we have a two option, insert data and the review. So you have to click on the review button because the red highlighted area should be review for that, because the system is not understand clearly. So you have to review for that. Instead of fourth, it will be shows for the fifth. So I have to modify that and accept. Here also you have to modify the accept it. Also you can check it out, the Roman letter is not clearly understand the system, so it will be changed for the number character. So you have to click on the cells, you can change Roman letters. This is your responsibility to change this. So once corrected everything, you have to click on the insert data. It will be shows the notification message. You are the responsible for validating the accuracy of all data. So you have to click on the insert data. The data has been converted and import into your Excel file. So now you can make it alignment. That's it. So in this way you can insert the image data into your Excel format. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.